The age-old question for so many of our students and specifically parents, what is the scope of ACCA in India? Salary kitni milegi, jobs bilenge ki nahi? And I don't understand why this is going on and on, but once again, you are here to clear your confusion. First of all, if this is the first time you're visiting the channel, please do click subscribe. If you find value in the video, give us a thumbs up. So when we talk about the scope of ACCA in India, let me take you through a quick journey. When I completed ACCA back in 2013, barely anybody knew about ACCA except a handful of people who are chartered accountants. In fact, when I interviewed at multiple places, example is PwC, where I finally took the job. PwC, I had an HR round, a manager round, and a partner round. Only the partner knew of ACCA, whereas the manager was still testing me overall on conceptual clarity, etc., etc. That time, the people who were giving the ACCA exam in the exam hall were less than, I think, 10. And when you go out in the market, there were across India on LinkedIn, I would find just one or two random people who had completed ACCA, had secured a job in companies which we recognize and were doing really well, right? Some people I knew had studied ACCA in UK or somewhere else and then come to India. They were still being hired because they had some experience from overseas. Fast forward to today, we have a placement team right now, which has, as of July, they had over 1,000 vacancies from multiple companies, of course, including the top MNCs that all of us want to start our career in, but also a huge number of mid-sized companies, small companies that said, we would like to take on ACCAs when they're semi-qualified, which means during your studying period, as soon as you're done with your papers, but you have zero experience. Or you've completed your exams, you have your PER or your articleship equivalent experience, and you're an ACCA member but a fresher, or somebody who's a complete experienced student, a candidate. So the entire profile of different candidates at different life cycles of their ACCA journey are open to getting opportunities, again, across India. Whether you talk about Delhi and North, you talk about West, so there's Bombay, Pune, Ahmedabad. You talk about South India, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. We have companies, large and small, all saying, yes, we do not mind hiring ACCAs at any level as long as the candidate is good enough to clear our interview. When it comes to salary packages, it again ranges right from a basic nominal salary of 3 to 4 lakhs all the way to 7, 8, 10, 12 lakhs, depending once again on who's hiring. There are certain companies that are outsourcing companies. They do offshore accounting for international clients, which means there's a company in India, they hire people from India, but they do the accounting for countries like UK. So these are relatively high-paying jobs for companies that are willing to hire ACCAs. So any direction I look at, right, the growth has exploded. So when I talk about companies, as you can see on the screen, we have a huge chunk of companies that have finally been opening their arms to Zell students specifically, saying that we'll hire ACCAs. Second, when it comes to different kind of profiles, we have candidates who are looking for just simple finance and accounting roles. We have people look for auditing. We have international tax. We have advisory. Advisory is the biggest, where we have people from mergers and acquisitions. We have people from valuation. We have internal audit. We have risk advisory. I can again go on and on with respect to profiles, all available. And the good part is, this is not only for consulting companies. You can even go to brands and work. Like I know some faculty members of ours who have worked in banks, and when you work for a bank, you're not at consulting, right? You're working specifically for the bank. So these kind of companies are also willing to hire. Lastly, when it comes to the salary package, like I earlier mentioned, it ranges all the way from 3 to 4 lakhs if you're maybe semi-qualified or sometimes just qualified but with less experience, all the way to 12 lakhs depending on where you are, again, in your journey. So guys, if you are looking for opportunities, then reach out to us. If we can, we'll definitely assist and help you guys as well. But when it comes to the final scope of ACCA, I would not suggest you guys hesitate anymore, whether it's India or international.